Hello everyone, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. Welcome back. Today we're going to be making these beautiful Peekaboo lace tags, and I was inspired by Christina at Christina's Paper Creations. I'll link her below so you can check out her video. A couple things you need are some paper, and I'm using some scrapbook paper that I have left over from something. I'm going to use that, and it's a good weight, so I suggest scrapbook paper. And then a circle hole punch. I'm going to use a 3-inch hole punch. You can use a different size if you want. The 3-inch will work out where it centers on my tag perfectly. You can use a circle die cut as well. Then we need some lace, which I've got a bunch of different kinds of lace here. And we've got some embellishments, a circle, a rounder, corner rounder. I've got my crocodile to set an eyelet, and a cutting tool to cut this paper, and glue. I think that's everything we need. And the next thing we're going to do is just cut this tag. This is about finished. It's about just over 6 high by just over 3 wide. So we should make it, and this is right at 6 tall, and it should be over 6 long. But what I'm going to do, because I don't really measure, is take this and then fold it in half. And that should give me the size that I want. That is the scientific way to do it. Okay, looks good. Get my ruler and my utility knife. Okay, put that in the scrap bin. All right, so we've got this, and the next thing we're going to do is punch the circle in it. And I'm going to punch it just about in the middle, maybe a little bit more towards the top than the middle, just because I like to have room on the bottom to embellish. Perfect. Okay. Got that done. Now the next thing we're going to do is round the corners, and I'm just going to use it on the 7. And it's doing both of them at the same time. That's nice, except for it didn't do that one very well. There we go. That's pretty inside too. We could have done that. I like that green though. Well, we'll stick with the green. Okay. The next step is to glue the lace in. And let's try some different laces just to see what we like. These are wide, so I think they'll work. This one's too wide. I would have to cut it. That's kind of pretty, but kind of distracting. I think I want something simple. What's this? Auditioning things is, ooh, half the fun. Ooh, I like that. That is so cute. Okay, that's the winner, easily. And it fits in there perfectly, so let's just trim this down. I don't want to cut it too close because I want to have plenty of lace you know, for the Fabri-Tac to glue to. If that makes sense. All right. Now the next thing we're going to do is just glue that down, and I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. And I'm going to glue around the circle. And then all down this tag, because I'm going to close the tag up. And then all around the other circle on the other side. And across the tag again. Okay. Okay. Now we just put this in there. Make sure your lace is taut, not sagging. That looks so pretty. I love that. Paper towel here to see if we can squish any glue out. Yeah, already we've got something beautiful. These are such a good idea. I really love them. All right, now I've got a little bit of white showing, so I'm just gonna trim that off with sticky scissors. Okay. That's my stomach growling if you hear that. It's close to lunchtime. All right, now we just can decorate it. I will put let's put an eyelet in this one. Punch our little hole. Oh, that is way off center. Can't believe I just did that. Let's see, what could we do? When you do something like that, you can always not do the eyelet and do some other kind of topper. And I think that's what I'll do. I could do a like seam binding or something. It's kind of really green. Ooh, that's pretty. Or we could do this dark green. Okay, let's do this. I love having my trims in this box. I use them way more now that I can find them easily. Okay, these things happen to all of us. Now, on the back, it still shows if we do it like that. So we could actually cut it in half. And then I'm going to staple it with my tiny attacher, I think. Let me grab that. Okay. Like that. And then let's decorate it. I've got these butterflies that I think now that we've used that dark green, I can use one of these butterflies for it. Wasn't the way I was intending to go, but now let's see here. And how about a phrase on there? Got some phrases right here. We'll do the white ones. I think that'll look better. Choose to shine. I love that. We're going to ink it up. Okay. And then let's ink the edges of this. I just think these are so special looking. They're different than other, other tags you might have in your journal. We'll ink the back. You could decorate the back too, have them double-sided if you wanted to. And then I think I'll use a little bit of the, what are these? Liquid pearls on it. I really like how it added something to this one. I'm not going to go all the way around the circle, but I think I'll just do like a little corner frame. These you go down and then up. That's pretty. There you have it. Two very different looking, but very beautiful looking tags. Let's see what it looks like in a journal. I've got my turquoise journal here. We'll set that one aside so it can dry, but this one should be dry. Doesn't fit in that one. Pretty. Okay, I love it. So cute. There you have it. That's what it looks like in a journal. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Come visit me at my Etsy shop, which is linked below. And take care until next time. Bye, everyone.